glasses.
Hello, how are you? Very well, thank you. How are you doing?
Good. Come on around. Oh my. Didn't know they made them anymore, really.
Look at their house.
Shoes for everybody.
What's the third one over?
Not sure.
That looks more like her than I think what she got.
Such a cool little
They're
thing.
very cute.
Okay, here's these little things they don't have for sale. We look at every time.
No, it has a huge Disney section. No, I don't know very much about stuff, yeah. I went to University of Birmingham.
Oh, did you? Oh, yes.
And yeah, well, sometimes. I do love Birmingham, but it isn't that the best. They have the biggest landmarks in the world there. You've heard about it. So like five stories. And they actually have a Disney cafe inside of it.
What is that?
Where are you guys from? Oh, lovely. We're not from.
Oh, wish I was a mermaid.
I found
I'm sure there's times that all of us wish we were a mermaid.
I live.
You could wear this
I
pants.
live in Lake District.
Oh yeah, okay, that's cute.
Well, that window is cute. You can go out and dream about being.
Yeah, definitely. It's like.
Let's see him.
Oh no, I'm just missing. Okay, I really like this.
Get it like this.
That shirt. So these come together.
Pull them down, take a look. They're a package deal, huh? I know you had looked at them in the window.
Those are cute out there.
Let me see. What you got? 2 bags.
And I got double zippers.
I know it's what you use. For how much?
Oh, sure. How are you? As long as we're not rocking like we did yesterday. So this is the, see how big you are? She's the character for the ship staircase. That's the awful house. I want to see this one.
I like Wheezies, Freezies.
And then the marble one.
I guess there's always your thing that if you could ever find it ever again. Which one?
Oh, the show in Arendelle. The food there is great, but the best food was you were here. But Arendelle is
Yeah, they may contain cruise tax. This one you've seen? Yeah, what's this thing
I would
in?
say it's a beach bag, and then you can keep stuff at the bottom separate. Drinks or whatever.
Let's look around this store now.
so fancy.
Yeah, still not very fancy.
So
Next time.
Which one's
it's
that?
pretty much the same. It's very similar to the drink that they are.
Once you just pop out.
How are we doing today, guys?
See?
Oh, that is cool.
It's Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah, very good stuff.
That's cute.
I do like the red ones.
But it doesn't, it does say wish.
So
It
yeah,
does.
I feel like it
We're just here, my mom and I, and my son was like, you better ride it. And I was like, oh, I'll ride it.
Yeah.
So like, we'll see if I actually make it.
Very successful in areas, very unsuccessful in others.
Wish you were here. Disney. Wish you were here.
Yeah.